Hi, my name is Eric Landis. I'm the product manager of the Outback division for Keystone RV. Today I want to highlight our massive outside kitchens found on select floor plans. It all starts with our 4 cubic foot refrigerators. We have massive pull-out drawers, huge overhead cabinetry to accommodate any of your storage needs. We have a massive weather-resistant countertop for your prep station. Not to mention TV hookups for any of your television needs, as well as a huge double burner pull-out stove. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.